Good morning. I'm not feeling my best. It is another little Bulking Diaries episode, and today is a run day. I decided to film it on a run day because I haven't seen that yet, but I don't feel fantastic. I don't know why. I just feel quite run down. I'm not ill, but I don't know why. If it's because the past couple of nights I've slept fine, but end of last week, I had a few nights where I just didn't get much sleep. So I don't know if that's just sort of still catching up with me. But I'm still going to go for this run. I am doing the couch to 5k because I really want to be able to run longer distances, and I've been trying in the past and I get an injury. I was doing really well last year and then I fell over and ruptured my ligament in my ankle. So that put a stop to the running, but we're on week 7 and it's been going well. It has taken me several months to get to week 7 because I'm only doing one run a week. That's always so hard to say because I just can't fit it in. I can't fit more runs in than that. My goal was to run a 5k this year and I'm on track for that, which is fantastic. I downloaded Strava last week as well for my run just to see where I'm at, because I'm now at the stage where I'm just running continuously for 25 minutes, and I did 4k. So I'm doing pretty well, but I don't think it's going to be the best run ever today because, as I said, the energy is just not there today, and it's also it's raining. But I'm really into the running. I'm loving it, really loving it, which is first time in ever. Don't think I've ever loved running before, but I'm really enjoying it. But for now, to help with said energy, we do have a coffee, of course, and my pre-run snack is half a bagel, cinnamon raisin one, if you care to know, a little bit of butter. I'm going to munch that down. I'm going to read my book, continuing with Beyond Anxiety. Nearly finished it, and then it's got loads of activities in it to do, so which I haven't I've just read through it. I haven't stopped and actually done the suggested work. So I think when I finish reading it, I'm going to go back through and each day pick one to do to help the old anxiety. And because I'm a crazy lady, I'm going to do a tarot. Well, it's an oracle card pull because at the moment, if you're interested, we're in Scorpio season, which is a very witchy, magic time. And I'm doing a daily card pull at the moment. So I'm going to do that momentarily. So we'll see what I get. This is the card deck I use. It's Emma Mumford's Manifesting Rituals. Is this weird? Maybe. Just gonna give them a little shuffle, pick one out, we'll see what we get. Exciting stuff indeed. I actually had a psychic reading yesterday as well, which was really cool. I never had one before. It was a lot of fun. Right, what do we got? I am full of energy. Well, I just feel like I'm being mocked now. I'm full of energy and grateful for my body. Lovely stuff. Take that with me today. Have that as a little mantra. Good times for all. I have noticed actually with the bulk and the gaining weight and all the extra food that it is having a delightful little impact on my running. So that's a lovely little side bonus. Yeah, I really don't know how today's run is going to go because I feel like a bag of crap. We did it. I came back by way of one of the posh roads because I thought it'd be quiet so I could film, but I've just had a series of cars and it's okay. Yeah, no, it's a good one. I'm really glad I went because I wasn't two minds, just with feeling so tired. Yeah, I feel very energized. It's windy and it rained pretty much all the way around, but like a fine mist, not heavy. Back home now for a stretch. I completely forgot to start Strava. I got it all set up on my phone and then I didn't hit play or start, so I don't know how many kilometers I did today. I am starting to get the bug for it. Same with the gym, you do get a little bit addicted when you get into it properly. And I love my music so much, so I just put on some good music and then run, and it just feels real good. Yeah, I think these cars are just going to keep on coming. It's rush hour people, so see you later. Okay. Bit of a mad dash to get ready for work this morning. Here we are, ready for my oats, which I need to wolf down before I have a meeting. We got oats with protein powder, chia seeds, blackberries, raspberries, and Biscoff, because why not? I am loving how big my breakfasts get to be on a bulk. I love breakfast. Breakfast is just the best meal of the day. That's super tasty, super delightful. Yeah, I'm just feeling very scattered, very tired. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm getting a cold. I don't know if I'm just tired, but we're powering through. Throat also just feels so. The psychic reading I went to yesterday, the guy smoked throughout the whole thing, and I'm such a people pleaser because he did say it. So I was like, "Do you mind if I smoke?" And I was like, "I do mind because I don't like being around cigarette smoke." And I was like, "No, it's fine, it's fine." But I don't know if that's like causing my throat to be a little bit dry and croaky today, just because I'm not used to being around smoke. Looking a bit more presentable as well. I don't know what my skin is doing. Again, I don't know if it's tied into like being a bit more run down, but we've got some skin issues going on right now. So cover it with the hair. A lot of makeup. It's all good. So today's not too bad actually. I've got a couple of meetings this morning. Then what do I normally do on Monday? Oh, I'm working on the Awkward Gym Girls Advent Calendar, which you may be interested to get your name on the list for if you struggle with gym anxiety, any gym phobia. Throughout December, we have got daily actionable steps to take to help you go from gym phobia to gym warrior. It's going to be working on your mindset as well as actual like little baby steps to get you sort of going into the gym for the first time all the way up to doing like a full workout. And by the time you get to day 24, you're going to feel like you can do a full workout. And we're doing it in December because it's the perfect time to get in the gym because it's going to be so stinking quiet. Don't know about you, but the worst thing for me in the gym is feeling like there are eyes on me. So you go now, you beat all the January new starters when the gym's going to be terrifying. You can actually go and enjoy the quiet peacefulness. Nothing more peaceful than a gym in December. That's what we've got to work on today. I've got quite a lot of work to do for that. But it's fun. It's all good. It's really cold. The blanket has come out. I don't feel good. I'm slowly getting worse throughout the day. I have decided to have a third coffee. I do normally just try and stick to 2. Occasionally I'll have a three coffee day kind of day, and that is today. But I have been having a lot more caffeine the past few days just because I have been tired. I don't know what's going on with me. I've also got the other half of my bagel as a little mid-morning snack. I went for Biscoff on it this time. And yeah, we are just plugging through with work and trying to sort of stay awake, really, you know, and like it's almost like you've got like a fog over you. I just feel very like foggy brained, and who knows the quality of work I am producing today. I'll probably look through it all when I've been drafting all these emails out for the advent calendar. I'm probably going to read through them all and just be like, the fuck? But we'll keep persevering. At least though, it's a quiet day for me now, really. Like obviously I've got work. There's nothing else I have to do, like sort of to exert myself today. I just really hope I just don't want to miss the gym. I hate it when I'm ill and I can't go to the gym. I can't train. I'm also just drinking a shit ton of water today to, if there is anything lurking in me, just try and like flush it out my system, get lots of hydration in. Here's hoping I just miraculously recover tomorrow. She's fading fast. I am in my bed. Don't know what that laugh was. I'm not the worst, but I'm just, yeah. I was like, do you know what? I just need to get cozy, relax. I think I have a cold, which I hate. I hate being ill. I hate having a cold. I hate having to miss the gym if I'm not well enough. But yeah, we've had our lunch. Had spinach, carrots, and like it's a really random lunch. And then it's just like one of those grain packet things. Normally I would meal prep my lunches for the week on the weekend, but I was like pretty busy all weekend. Made sure to get some veggies in there. Protein's not super high with that, but overall my protein intake for the day is all good. And yeah, we're just gonna chill. Obviously we're still working, but we're just working from the bed. The perks of working from home coming in strong right now. And I just hope that this passes quickly. I also need to avoid, I have a little bit of an issue with binge eating, which I'm obviously working on. It's a lot better than it used to be, but it is still something that I have to manage. And when I'm ill or when I'm like tired and I'm lazing and I'm not doing a lot, like that's a big trigger for me. So I just need to like make sure not to sit and binge. Like right now I just want to go and grab the jar of Biscoff and eat it out the tub. So let's not do that. But I have got like quite a lot to like keep me busy, so hopefully I can avoid doing that. And I have a nice little snack coming up. Have I got I had sriracha. Oh dear. Yeah, I had sriracha on my food. I think it's all around my mouth. thought I'd look rough on camera before now with my vlogs. This may be the worst it's ever been. I've got fucking rash going on, got this monstrosity. She's not well. She's not well. We have made my Kung Pao tofu. Very excited for it. I'm pleasantly surprised I managed to have the energy to cook some dinner tonight. I haven't binged on any Biscoff so far. Just gonna go chill out. I might start editing this, otherwise I am just gonna have a quiet evening. But that's been a weird day in the life of this bulk. Proof that sickness happens, things happen, and we just have to carry on through. I truly hope I can make it to the gym tomorrow or this week in general, but it don't look good for me. But what I tell my clients, and is what I'll have to tell myself tomorrow, because I know my clients get annoyed when they can't get to the gym, is that in the big scheme of things, if you are consistent, normally, if you get sick, you should rest. And in the scheme of things, like a week, hopefully not a whole week, but a couple of missed sessions, it ain't gonna matter. It ain't gonna matter. What's more important is looking after your health. I'll still be a little bitch about it. I'll still get upset that I'm missing my training. Oh, I don't like being ill. I'm a terrible patient. Anyway, we'll round it off here. I'm just gonna go and flake on the sofa with my Diet Coke and my Kung Pao tofu, and then maybe a tiny little bit of chocolate later. It's within my calories. Thank you very much. Don't need your judgment. And that'll be that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.